Hi guys, join me if you're a beginner who is still struggling on how to load your blade into the blade holder. So this is the easiest way you can do it without hurting your fingers. You open the blade holder this way and get your blade, and yes, that's the sound. When it makes that sound, you take out half of it and just fix it this way into the blade holder. Check the two dots, make sure it fits into the space on the blade. Then you close it this way, close it gently. And while doing this, don't use your hand to force the blade in, it can injure you. It happened to me a lot of times while I was learning, so it's not a good idea. So always be careful while fixing it so you don't hurt yourself. And while you're done with that, if you want to bring out the blade, this is how to also open it gently without putting your hand into